So today, guys, we are making amaluso tribes ezangaphakathi. This is a very, very popular dish in Africa. Every time a cow, a goat, any animal is killed, we eat insides the same day. So usually people just boil this and put some water and eat it like that. But this is my own version. I added some spices, so much spices, onion, garlic, and of course, I added some potatoes so that the food, the sobo, the soup, and then raja, and then I let it boil for some minutes. While it was boiling, I was cutting my fish. This is my favorite food. It's been my favorite food since I was born. So I cut the fish and I added some spices in between. You can add any spices of your favorite, the ones that you like. And then make sure the whole fish inside has spices because you need that taste. Of course, who doesn't? And at the end, I added olive oil. That is olive oil just to make the fish yummy. After adding everything, I added lemons and then chilies in the middle, and then I put in the oven for a while. And then when it was ready, I take it off. There you are. I put the fish into the pan so that I can be able to add some soup. So guys, one thing about the soup, I really don't know what the soup is. I'm that bad when it comes to cooking. Like just, it's a soup, okay? The onion soup. Let the soup stay for a while you're making your other food, whatever you'll be making. So this is Stshwala pap, a very common dish as well in Africa. So first thing, I added milk. This is my own version. Usually you add water, just water only. And then you stir, you put the meal and then you stir until it starts popping. You guys are not in English, I don't know. So after popping, after a while, then you start again, add more meal, and then stir again, mix. Is it stir or mix? And I add a cheese as well on top of that. This is my own version. I repeat, this is my own. When it was ready, and then I dished for my boyfriend in a bower plate so that the pap can the meat can go into the pap so he feels the taste. So this is the fish. Oh my god, look at that. The food was delicious, guys. Please try this at home. It's really safe. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.